Okay, right now we're going to talk about simple interest, and later on we'll be talking about growth and decay in a few more minutes. So simple interest is the amount of money you earn after you've invested a certain amount of money, which is the capital, and you've got a rate of interest that you're earning, and this is the amount um, of money you make. This is the amount of money you invest, this is the rate, and this is the number of compounding interests, like years, for example. So capital is the amount of money that you put into the bank. Interest is the extra money that you've earned from putting it into the bank. So we got an example that we'll do right now. Okay. So okay, so the amount of $5,000 is invested at a rate of 3% for 8 years. Okay, calculate the interest you're going to get. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to say the interest is equal to the capital, which is $5,000, times my interest rate, which is, we got to convert this to a decimal, which would give us 0.3, sorry, and then n is equal to 8. Okay. One thing to remember is that percentage, a number that's whatever we have in a percent converts to 0.0 in that number. So we have to move the decimal place 2 spaces. Okay. Okay, so you multiply these out, and then you get $1,200. Okay, and then find the total amount in the account after 8 years. Is you're going to take the initial amount that you had, which is $5,000, and then you add your interest, which is $1,200, and you end up with $6,200. Okay. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay. Hanatelli invests $4,000 into a bank with simple interest of 7.3% per year. Find the number of years that the money is going to double. So I start off with my formula that we had, which was that interest equals C times R times N. And you know that C equals $4,000. The rate equals 0.073, and we want to find N. And we know that if this is going to double, then we know that I must also be $4,000. Because if I is 4,000, then that's the amount that we've earned, and we want the amount earned to be the same. So what I'm going to write down is 4,000 equals 4,000 times 0.073 times N. And once again, this value right here is the interest, and let's use the same color as the other one. This value here is our capital, and then we've got the rate and the number of years. Okay, so now you can see that this cancels out, and we would have 1 equals 0.073 n, and then we could divide both sides by that decimal. So if we've got 1 divided by 0.073, you're going to end up with 13.69. So if we have 1 divided by 0.073 equals n, then we get n equals 13.698. So basically we're going to say n has to be 14 years. After 14 years, the capital doubles. Okay, and that's the notes for SF1.